In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the page title in Elementor, a powerful page builder plugin for WordPress. Whether you're looking to declutter your site's appearance or create a more customized look, removing the page title can be a step towards achieving a cleaner design. So, let's dive in and go through these simple instructions together. First things first, you'll need to open the specific page you want to edit using Elementor. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard and select the page you want to modify. Once you've successfully opened the page, you'll be directed to the Elementor editor. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to utilize its intuitive drag-and-drop interface to enhance your site. Next, let's focus on the bottom left corner of your screen, where you'll notice a small gear icon. This is the settings icon, which when clicked will reveal a panel containing various options for your page. Clicking this gear icon will bring up the page settings. You'll see several options here, but don't worry, I'm going to guide you on exactly what you need to do next. In this settings panel, your goal is to locate the Hide Title toggle switch. It's a straightforward option that does exactly what you might think. It hides the page title. This is ideal for those of you aiming for a minimalist look, or looking to replace the standard page title with a custom element that better fits your design theme. Once you've found the Hide Title toggle, go ahead and enable it. Simply switch it to the On position. This should effectively remove the page title from your current page. As simple as that. You'll notice in the editing preview that the title no longer appears, and you can immediately see how your page's presentation has changed, making way for a more elegant and less cluttered interface. Finally, it's important to remember to click the Update button to save your changes. You'll find this button at the bottom of the Elementor panel. Failing to update would result in losing all the modifications you've just made, so always make this your final step. After updating, your adjustments will be live, and your page title will be successfully removed from view on your website. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you've learned how to remove a page title in Elementor, helping you achieve your desired website aesthetics. This simple modification not only impacts the visual appeal of your page, but also the overall user experience by presenting a clean, professional look. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this step-by-step guide helps you in your web design journey. Until next time, happy building!